guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, welcome. In today's video, it's another hair video, but this time is a little special because it's me getting ready. It's my birthday. I'm about to look nice. But for right now, last night I did a sew-in and it was from the brand Naked Nature Wet and Wavy, and I love that brand. It's like one of those it's just one of those hair that look really good and I love it, especially the Bohemian curl. So I got the Bohemian curl and I did the sew-in. So I wanted to show you guys how it look wet and how it look dry. So I already started the process of how the hair half look curly and half look dry. So let me remove this so you can see of how it looks. So on this side, it's me applying like water conditioner on it just to pull out the patterns. And just to let you know, you probably can't really see it, but the closure, I had to get the deep wave closure because the Naked Nature company stopped, for some weird reason, they stopped making the closure for the Bohemian curl. So I had to finesse this, okay? I had to finesse this, and to my surprise, it's coming along like very good. So this is the hair for, you can wear it like wet, curly, look at this, curly, wet, or you can wear it straight, puffy. And as you can tell, because this is two different like hair in a sense, you can tell because this was wet earlier because I had to dye it to the same color as the Naked Nature. You can already see like the deep wave pattern. But for you to see the Bohemian curl pattern, you have to wet the hair. So, and mind you, this side, even though it's wet, it's not fully wet. So let me apply. I have more like condition water. So let me apply a little bit more so you guys can see. Ooh, I made a mess. So you guys can see. And this is it. This is how it look. And later on, I'm gonna put up like a full video of how like I dress this hair and how I look in the rest of the video, and I'm gonna have both sides wet. So if you're looking for like a curly, and you don't want to order on AliExpress or you don't want to order on Amazon, you want to go to like your local beauty supply store, honestly, you can just go ahead and get you the Naked Nature Bohemian curl or deep wave, or you can do both like I did. For the closure, I did the deep wave, and for the the rest of the hair, I did Bohemian curl, because even though like the packet is like a 7-packet hair, it comes with like a closure. I don't like that closure because like it just have like this amount of space, and I wanted something more wide you can like style more and be free with. But let me come a little closer so you guys can see the pattern and see how nice this look like. Look at this. See this? This is like really nice for like beauty supply. This is great, and this actually save you the time of like waiting a week 2 weeks, 3 weeks for your hair to come. So you can just like quickly get this at your local beauty supply store. And I love this brand. This is it. And I actually got the deep wave from Shakengo Wet and Wavy. I think it's the same company that do both, like that shakengo company. But this is it, and I love it. You see this is, look at this. This is really nice, like a real nice curl pattern. And this is like dry, and this is how it look dry. This is it dry. This is how it look dry. So me personally, I prefer the wet look, the curly look. So stay tuned, guys. I'm gonna post stay tuned so you can see the rest of the video where I actually like dress this up and you see how I rock this hair even more. And if you guys have any questions, don't forget to comment below any questions you have, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. The most important thing is subscribe so you can know whenever I have like a new video up. But this is it. Or even if like you watching this and you like me to try a certain style or a certain hair, just let me know and we can do that. But for right now, this is one of my like favorite curly hair, like to go to curly hair. So stay tuned, finish watching the rest of the video where I post how I dress this up, and see you guys next time. Okay, bye. Alright guys, thank you for watching. So this is the final look. I actually just came back from dinner. So this is the hair, dry, styled, looking cute. But thank you for watching guys. Till next time, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Bye.